Hello everyone, my name is Davidson Edieya and I make videos for people who are navigating through the storms of their legal studies. The views expressed in my videos are not to serve as a substitute for your traditional law school classes or your undergraduate law program. My views as expressed does not also constitute any attorney-client relationship or constitute any legal advice which anyone may rely upon. The views are based on already public legal resources, my experience when I was a law student, and the experience of my friends. I urge you to keep watching my videos, subscribe, and follow for more. Thank you all.